the 737 MAX has been a tumultuous aircraft to say the least, and some may even favor the idea of just scrapping the aircraft altogether. And while that is not something that could actually happen, what about a 737 MAX replacement? What would a 737 MAX replacement from Boeing look like in the coming years? In this video, I'll be exploring a potential 737 MAX replacement from Boeing, so stay tuned. Before I dive into this video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you're at all interested in aviation content. So excited that we got to our goal of 700 subscribers this last month, so let's aim for 800 subscribers this next month. Also, if you're at all interested in flight simulation content, including Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, make sure to go check out my second channel, Avid Flight Simulation. The 737 MAX has seen one of the most dramatic histories as an aircraft in modern aviation history. It could easily be seen that it has only taken down the reputation of the Boeing brand instead of helping the company like any new aircraft should. But since the 737 MAX is already based on a 70-year-old airframe, what about a replacement? Well, throughout the years, there have been some clues about a potential 737 replacement in the years to come. The project has been codenamed Future Small Airplane by Boeing and dates back all the way to even 2009. But before we dive into those details, let's take a look at the market and where the FSA could fit in. If Boeing were to replace the 737 MAX with a clean sheet design, it would be in the 180 to 220 passenger range to compete with mid-range to upper range single aisles like the A320neo and A321neo, and then of course Boeing's own 737 MAX 8 through MAX 10. It could even start to compete with the highly anticipated A321XLR, and would put Boeing in a good spot in competing in the single-aisle segment they have been already struggling in with the MAX. But what do we know of this aircraft? Has Boeing actually ever considered making such a jet? Well, most of the information we have is from patents that Boeing filed back in 2009, where we can see a small aircraft which was codenamed the FSA. As you can see in these pictures, this aircraft is quite interesting, being incredibly wide yet not that tall in specifications. The biggest quirk about this design is that, quite noticeably, it is a wide body with two aisles. That gives many advantages, especially for low-cost carriers, and would definitely be more comfortable for an average passenger. It seems like the aircraft is a very short wide body, in configuration of 232 in economy. Now, it is important to remember that Boeing did create this design over 10 years ago, so if it ever was to become a reality, many changes would probably happen to the finished design. However, these pictures do give us some information on what route Boeing is wanting to go if they are to pursue the FSA design. Also, something to note, when I was looking into the design, I thought it was interesting that the configuration of seating would be similar to Boeing's already existing 767 in economy 232. Such an aircraft would most definitely be a favorite with passengers, and as the design would be of composite materials, would also boast superior fuel efficiency. What do you think? Would a wide-body 737 MAX replacement be something the market would want? Put your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to consider giving this video a like. Also, I wanted to let you all know to make sure to tune in to the Avid Aviator's first anniversary premiere on May 10th, so we can celebrate the first year of the Avid Aviator. Also, if you're new, make sure to consider subscribing to my channel for more great aviation content. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next.